You're watching TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2019 with the scores, Spalding on 18 and Crescent on 15. And now it's time for the final challenge where questions are thrown open to both teams. First one pressing the buzzer earns the right to answer after the school has been identified. They will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. We start off with local affairs. Teams, good luck to you. It's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the person. That's Spalding.
Favor Williams.
Minister of Energy, correct. Sports, who contested the finals of the 2019 men's singles at Wimbledon? Roger Federer and Novak Djokovic. Bible knowledge, what was the name of Aaron's younger brother? Spalding?
Moses.
Correct. Science, what is another name for the pupa, the third stage in the life cycle of a butterfly? It's a chrysalis. English language, give a 7-letter word starting with R, which means experiences and feelings connected with love. Crescent?
Romance.
Correct. Music. What raises a musical note by one semitone? It's a sharp. General knowledge. Which African country's national football team is nicknamed Bafana Bafana? That's South Africa. Television, teams, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the actress. That's Jada Pinkett Smith. Mathematics, what is 25% of 4,800? Spalding?
1,200. 1,200.
Correct. Social studies. Taino drawings can be found in the Arawak Cave in which Jamaican parish? That's Trelawney. Television. In the movie Avengers Infinity War, Iron Man, Thor, the Hulk, and the rest of the Avengers unite to battle their most powerful enemy. What is his name? That's Spalding.
Thanos.
Correct. Sports, this is a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the athlete. That is Rafael Nadal, the tennis player. Bible knowledge. Noah had 3 sons. Name any. That's Crescent.
Shem. Ham and Japhet.
Let's name any 2. So, judges. He gave us all 3, so that is incorrect. Science. Complete this statement by inserting the correct word. Pollination is movement of pollen from the stamen to the Crescent?
Pistil.
Correct, or stigma would have also been correct. English language. Does the word jostle mean to squeeze, to push someone roughly, or to tap gently on the shoulder? Crescent?
Gently on the shoulder. To tap gently on the shoulder.
Incorrect, it's to push someone roughly. Music. What is the unit used to measure the intensity of musical? That's Spalding.
Decibels. Decibels.
Musical sounds, that is correct. General knowledge. The 0-degree line of latitude has another name. Spalding.
Greenwich.
What is it? It is the equator, so that's incorrect. And that bell ends today's match with Spalding on 26 and Crescent on 17, or 15 rather. So that's Crescent on 15 and Spalding on 26. We go for a break. When we come back, we confirm the scores and wrap things up. Please stay with us.